on our way to the Foxbody cruise.
Woo. Sorry about the camera there for a second. When I come out of my air conditioning, it gets super foggy, so, because I mean, it's really humid out. But anyways, let's go get the Foxbody out of the trailer. I gotta hurry up because Fox Resto is running a Foxbody cruise in at Myrtle Beach Mall for the as one of the events for Myrtle Beach Mustang Week. So I want to support that because it's Foxbody only, and it just seems like I didn't see any down here. I don't know if I'm the last Foxbody on the last cruise, but I think so.
Yeah, I think you are.
Let's get it out and get fueled up and roll. So we finally made it here. This is actually where we got one of my subscribers, Chris Gordner, here, and we got a nice little turnout of Foxbodies for the last Foxbody cruise here at Mustang Week. Now you knew it can't be Mustang Week without hearing a little bit of chop. Sounds good, brother.
Everybody hear me?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
On 31, I'm going to have officers jumping. So stay single file on 31. Do not pass each other for the safety of you and them. All right? I'm going to be leading it. I'm going to try to take you guys at a pretty good clip. You guys can open them up just a little bit.
Whoa.
Stay single file, do not pass, so they have the opportunity to get around.
Now we're gonna take it easy, you know. Be respectful for the area. What's up? 75, 180 degrees. We go out there to the drag strip, beat the absolute shit out of this car. Man, you can't be more happy. Start up, it's just at 60 PSI. Hot, it sits right at 30. Hasn't changed in the year that I've been beating the snot out of it, so I'm very happy with it. I don't know if I'm the last Foxbody on the last cruise, but I think so.
Yeah, I think you are.
And I am here with Jen at Fox Mustang Resto. She did an amazing job. Guys, I'm telling you, I'm not here just BSing you. I'm coordinating this. Cost a lot of effort, a lot of time, a lot of money. And she did an amazing job hooking that up for us. I'm telling you, and you'll see the video. I'm talking the whole way here. I'm just like, and we were all respectful.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, the Foxbody community has really, listened to our requests to keep things, reasonable and respectful so that we can keep doing these things. And that is really the key to it. And, for us to have this thing that we love, we have to protect it. And that's what we've done. And then it's been carried on through all of the Foxbody community. And I mean, from the bottom of my heart, thank you all so much for allowing us to keep doing this by, just being respectful with your behavior.
God, that was probably the best cruise ever.
That's awesome.
So big shout out to Matt too. He was unavailable to be here, unfortunately, but Jen and her staff did an amazing job. This event was big, and being the last one, there was no reserved spots for car shows. I was just like, I didn't know I was coming here till late.
Yeah.
And I was like, I called the lady. I was like, well, if you get a spot, it's fine. My car's not a show car, obviously. And she's like, no, I'll call you. And I called her up. She's like, oh man, we had so many people that were ready to take any spots.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah. But that is one of the advantages. Well, this is the last one, but this is a huge advantage of being in the Foxbody cruise is that you have a guaranteed spot in the cruise in on Saturday at Mustang Week, which a lot of people won't get. It's kind of first come, first serve. So they park us before they park anyone else in this cruise in today.
That's awesome.
So that is a huge perk to this event.
Last thing before I let you guys go, Foxtoberfest, we're going for 1,000 Foxbodies. I'm not even BSing you. If you got a Foxbody and you can make it to Concord, North Carolina, which is the home of Fox Mustang Resto, you need to be there. So
yeah, it's up to you guys. Like we just tell you where to go and where to be, but it's up to you guys how many cars are in the show because you are the show. You are Foxtoberfest.
So real quick, the venue for Foxtoberfest.
Yes, is we are still on Charlotte Motor Speedway property, but we're closer to the ZMAX track this time. Ooh. So we are moving. Yeah, we are moving locations just across the street, basically. But it gives us more room and more options as far as parking and that sort of thing. So lots of new exciting things to come, and there is room for 1,000. I'm not saying that we will have 1,000. Like I said, that is up to you guys. But I am ready for you if you're bringing it.
Yes, sir. So again, I appreciate you.
Yeah.
We're about to get parked over here. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. That was the last Foxbody Mustang cruise at Mustang Week ever. Got a chance to ride along with Jen at Fox Resto, so shout out to Fox Mustang Resto for putting on such a great cruise. I know it takes a lot of effort, so make sure you guys give a big thumbs up to Fox Mustang Resto as they do have Foxtoberfest coming up soon, so registration is open. 1,000 Foxbodies would be nice, but just making the show would also be great. So if you guys enjoy this sort of content, give me a comment below, give me a thumbs up. Check out that join button for membership. Check out the thanks button. But outside of that, I just appreciate you guys watching the video. So, once again, thank you for the Foxbody community, and I will see you guys soon in the next video. Thank you.